Hey guys, thanks for watching my lesson 30. So today I'm gonna teach you how to use the basic animation in 3D Max. So before I start, I need to show you some sample. Okay, so this one I already done. So you can see, you can have a look, and then you can see the effect inside. Okay, like you can see, inside I have a 3D object. Example like box, you can see this box actually moving and keep changing the color in the same time. Like you can see, first this one is the red color, then after that moving, they change to red color, and then after that yellow color and change back red color again. And then the pyramid also keep moving and change the size, including the box also change the size. Okay, so this one is a very basic animation in 3D Max. So how to make like this? Okay, so now this one close. So let's start. Okay, but first you need to create 3D model. Okay, so something like you can see this one I can create floor level. Okay, the 3D object, and then one box and one pyramid. Okay, so let's start. So before we start, we need to do some setting for the animation, especially the timeline. Okay, you can see this one. Okay, this part actually is called time frame. Okay, so every time we need to, if you want to use the 3D Max to the animation, okay, before that you need to do the setting. And then you can see here, actually have a 0 until 100. What meaning? Actually 0 until 100 not mean is a 100% second or 100% minute. Actually this one is called frame, time frame. Okay, you need to remember the concept. Okay, because for the 3D Max, 1 second is 30 frame. Okay, you need to remember this one. 1 second is 30 frame. So now let's say I want to make 10-second animation, but here just 100 high frame. So like just now I mentioned, 1 second is 30 frame. So if here totally have 100, that means just 3 seconds plus only for the animation. So how to make 10-second animation? So remember, okay, you need to go here, this one, time configuration, this one, the very small icon, so just open, and then this one is a setting. So here actually is a frame rate. So normally we just using the first one, NTSC, okay? So you can see inside FPS actually is a time frame, it's a 30 second, actually is a default setting. Okay, so this one we just skip, and then this one speed, actually the normal speed just 1 only. Okay, normally we just use 1, don't change anything, so on. And then you can see animation start time and end time. Actually start time normally is a 0, and then the end time now is a 100, because normally just 100 frame. So like just now I said, if I want to make 10 seconds, that means you need to put 300, because 1 second is 30 frames, so if 10 seconds is 300 frames. So that means after 300, click enter, and then after that, okay, and now you can see here actually is a 10-second timing already. Okay, you can see the time actually have 300 frames. Okay, so let's start. So now the time setting already. So now first we need to select the box, but before that, remember open this one, auto. This one actually we call that is an auto key. Okay? The name is toggle auto key mode. Okay, remember if you want to start to do the animation, you need to click the auto, because auto means is automatic record. Okay, so open. When you open, then you can see here timeline. This one the time frame actually have a highlight. The color is red color, that's me already start. Okay, anything you do the setting, you move any object, okay, this one will automatically record. So now auto key on already, so select the box. Let's say here box, I want to move until here, then I want to use 2 seconds. Okay, 2 seconds mean is 60 frames. So that's mean this one you need to move to 60 frames. Or if you don't want to move, okay, you can key in here, this one. You can put 60, Okay, this one 60 and then enter. Then you can see go to 60 frame already. The point here. So now after you move the frame, okay, so now you move the object again. You need to remember the step. You cannot move the object, then move the time frame. You need to move the time frame, then move the object. Okay? You cannot inverse the step. You need to step by step. Okay, so now you can see here actually have the record. Because why I said that, you can see here the red color. This one actually is called keyframe. Actually have the record inside already. Okay, so I put back to 60 frame. So now box. Okay, I want to move to another side. I also want to use 2 seconds. So now here you need to remember. Okay, you need to calculate because now first 2 seconds I already have the animation. Okay, I use 60 frame already. So now I want to use another 2 seconds to move to another side. So you need to add another 60 frame. Okay, 60 add 60. So total is 120, 120. So just click enter again. Another 2 seconds. Okay, start from here and then running until here. Okay, something like that. Okay, so now I want to use 1 second. Okay, for now it's 1 second, more faster. Okay, because just now it's 2 seconds, 2 seconds. So now it's 1 second. 1 second I want to move to another side. Okay, so this one 1 second, that's mean 120. You need to add another 30 frame inside. So that's mean what total is a 150, enter. So now select the box, okay, move to another side, something like that. So if everything's done already, auto key off. Okay, if you don't want to make the record, just off. Now you go back. Then you can see the animate actually come out already. So you can click this one. This one is a play animation. Just click. If you want to see the acoustic view, and then click play animation like that. 1, 2 seconds, 2 seconds, and then after that 1 second, more faster. Okay, something like that. So this one is a box animation for the basic one, how to move the object. Okay, let's say now I don't want to move the object only. I just also want to changing the object size. Okay, so now auto key on again. So now if you want to change the object size, select the object. You still remember after if you create the object, you want to modify the object, you need to go modify this one. So this one is a length, width and height for this object. Okay, so let's say now I want to use you can imagine maybe I just want to use 1 second, so that means 30, enter. Okay, until here. Okay, so actually the original height, how many again? Actually is a 46.917. So now I want to use 1 second, change to another size. Let's say I want to put more higher, like maybe 100, 100, enter. Okay, that's all. Just use 1 second. Okay, so after that, if you want to move 100 again, okay, because just now I already forgot the number, so I just put 48 and then enter. Okay. So now maybe this one I want to put 300 again. Long time, so I just put maybe a 1. Okay, just put maybe 200, something like that. And I want to change maybe one, maybe you put 150, more higher, something like that if you want. Okay, actually it's a very freedom one. Okay, you can imagine you can do anything you want for the basic. Okay, so now everything's done already, auto key off. Then now you can see. You can select, hold, you can press and hold the time frame and then move the time frame, then you can see the effect. Okay. Because for this board actually is until 150, don't move already, but still keep changing the size because the size I have to do the record until 200. But if you move the object, okay, just 150 for this box record. Okay, like that. Okay, so this one is very easy. Okay, so how to changing the color? Okay, changing the color is very easy also. Okay, so you just open material editor. Okay, so first you need to assign the color first. So just press put in, okay, and then change the color. Let's say first it's a yellow color. Okay, so now put here. Okay, so now auto key on also. So maybe you can imagine 100, maybe it's 3 seconds. Okay, 90. Okay, it will become red color. You just change color only. Very easy one. Then you can see change color already. Then you can see this one, the material editor. You can see the slot, the outline, the border actually have a highlight one, the red color. That means it's already got the record, got the animation record. Okay. 900 until 250 example, maybe red color change to blue color example. Add the animation. Yellow change to red color, and then it's very slowly. Because why? You need to imagine, because for the color, okay, select the box first. For the color, actually I 0 start until 250. Actually I'm using 8 second plus to change the color. Okay, so it's a very slow. Okay, see color changing. Okay, so and then another one example. Okay, so now I select another 3D object, pyramid. Is it the pyramid also can do the animation? Also can, because remember, because every object has this own timeline. So that means it's a different. Okay, so if you select the box, you can see here actually have few keyframe already. That means I have a few record. And then another one, if you don't want the record, so you can select. Okay, just click, right click, delete selected key if you want. You can remove the point and then cancel the animation for this point. Okay, or maybe you can highlight the old one and then right click, delete. Okay, then after that totally don't have any record for the animation. Okay, so now let's start another object, pyramid. Let's say here, start from here. Okay, so auto key on again. Maybe this one is 100. Okay, so move, maybe 100, you can move to another side, like that also can if you want. Okay, you see. And this one is it. Okay, I go to 100. Then this one, because the height is a 55.623, just put 1. And then you can see here. The arrow inside have a point, the red color. The corner, you can see the corner side have a red point. Actually already got the animation. Okay. Okay, so 100 until 200. Maybe you go to another side here. Okay. And after that, I think should be okay. Done. I don't want to do anymore. Okay. So just move. See. So each object have so if each object have this own timeline, actually it's totally different. Select the box, do the animation. After that, you can select the pyramid, start from 0, do another one again. Okay, so remember this one. Okay, so like just now I show you the. Okay, so now I keep select the pyramid, auto key on again. I don't want just move the object. I also want to moving and rotate in the same time. So that's me. Now I also can use select and rotate to make the animation for this pyramid. Let's say, okay, we start from the top view because easy to see the position. So now 0 until 100. Let's keep rotate. And if you keep rotate, is it you can right click here. Okay, easy to set up the number. Like you see, maybe 2 or 3 times around. Okay, 2 or 3 times like that. And then after that, we'll put 1, 5, and 1 and 0, enter. So After that, done already, auto key off. After that, 180, okay, actually not any record for the rotate. Okay. Like that. It's a very easy one. So this one is a very basic animation. Okay, not only just the 3D object, not only just a solid object, you also can use the light or maybe the camera to do the basic animation. But after you create, you want to start to do the animation, remember, auto key, you need to on first. Okay, so now let's say here I want to put some lighting. Okay, I use the standard only. Okay, I just put inside just one only. After that, I copy another. Okay, I just do take out the only light. Okay, so now this one you can use full screen. Okay. Remember, after create, you go to, if you want to modify, okay, select this one, modify, and then on the shadow. And then one more thing, because for the previous lesson I already mentioned, if you want to directly see the light effect, you can go to, okay, standard and right click, show shadow cut out already. If you move the lighting, you can see the shadow also different position. Okay. Okay, so now the multiplayer, just put one first. So here I want to put more light example. Actually, for the one scene, just one only actually not enough. You need to more than one. Okay. Okay. Depend on object. Because I want to put different setting, so just use copy. Okay. Then this one maybe I want to put red color or maybe blue color. So let's say I want to create another one. This one is I just want to make something like environment light. So I don't want to put multiplier is 1, maybe 0.2 enough already. Color I just put white color. Is it the lighting also can check, also can do the animation? Okay, if you want. Okay, just open the auto key and move the time frame. Okay, let's say now I want to move 60, and then this one is here, move until here, if you want, and then 60 until 120. Okay, rotate angle, easy to move. So you see. 120 until 180, another 2 seconds, move to another side. And go back, you see, keep changing the light. And then also the light color. If you want to change the light color also, let's say, okay, for because the original is a green color, so green color I want to start from 60, okay? Start from 60 and then green color change to red color until 180. I don't want to start from 0. I want to start from 60 until 180. So how to change? Okay, remember, because for this one, because for this effect, we not start to we not start from 0 frame. So that means you need to do some. You need to do the fade action. Okay, what meaning the fade action? Okay, let's say now. Okay, we go back. This one is a green color. Okay, you can click, and then remember the number. Okay, let's say you can remember this part. Okay, this one actually is a RGB color. Okay, 18255 and 0. Okay, let's say now we go to 60 again. Okay, 182550 also actually is a same number because it's a same color. Okay, you need to do the fade action. Okay, just let the programs know you already do some different setting. Okay, let's say 255, you just click, change to 254, and then after that, change back again 255, enter again. Okay, you need to do the fade action. Just let the program know you already 0 until 60 have some setting already, but after that we change back. remember this step. Okay, so now 60 until 180. Okay, you can put maybe red color like just now I said 25500. So now auto key off. So now you can see 0 until 60 still the same color, you see. Then start from 60 frame until 180 frame, you can see the number keep changing. Okay, so that's mean the color also keep changing the color. You see this one. Okay, the 0 until 60 is the same setting. It's the same color. Okay, so remember this one. Okay, so this one is a lighting color. If you want to select the 3D object, you want to make the effect like this, also can, no problem. This one is up to you. Okay, so now, okay, that's all for the basic animation. Okay, so if this object, if you got the basic animation, that means you need to do the exporting. So that means you need to export the animation. So you need to export the video file. So how to export? Okay, remember this one. You need to go render setup. Okay, so this one is a render setting. Okay, you need to remember common parameters. Okay, normally if you just want to render one image, one frame only, normally type output is a single. Okay, but if you want to do the basic, if you want to do the animation, remember you need to change other setting like active time segment 0 to 300. Okay, it's a one-time finish the export. Okay, and or maybe another one. This one range actually is a section for the animation. Let's say normally it's a 0 to 300. But if you don't want to 0 to 300, you want to put some. You want to render just one section like that. You can put 0 to 150. Okay, also can just half only. You can set up the frame. Okay, where start from where like that. Okay, maybe you don't want to start 0. You want to start from 50, and then 50 to 150 also can. Okay, but this one I just click this one. Artist type segment 0 to 300. Okay, one time finish. And then another one. This one is output size. If you just render one image. Okay, you can imagine this one is an image size. If you have the animation setting, then you want to export the video size, that means this one is a video size. Okay, you can imagine like that. And then this one is custom, open, you can choose which one you want. Or maybe if this one is an animation, you want to export video, so you can choose maybe NTSC, DVD1 or HDTV. Or maybe you can custom the size, width and height, how many size you want. And then here have a few template also. So for now, for this one, I just put 800 type 600. Okay, so now move down again. Okay, another one very important. If you want to export the animation, remember you need to save the file first, then click render. You cannot render and then after that save the file. Okay, remember the step, render output. Okay, so you can see files, you need to set the location. Let's say now I want to put desktop. Here I just want to put, maybe just put testing, and then save and type. And you can put AVI file. Okay, but if you want to use this animation file to make some, to import other software like video editing. Okay, normally we can set PNG file or maybe JPEG or other format. Okay, that one is a video editing. If you got to do some settings, especially you want to change the background, you want to change the other, maybe you want to import some effect inside. That one is a video editing. Okay, if you got. But normally, if you just want to show the animation, show the effect normally, okay, so just save AVI file. Okay, I think should be okay. So save. So this one, just save only, just click OK. So you can see here, actually have the location after save the file. Okay, where you set the location. Okay, so you can see here, okay, the location already got the. Okay, so you can see here, actually have a record already for the path. Okay, so now, okay, go out again. So double check everything. If okay already, then click render. Remember, before you click the rendering, Okay, close this one first. You need to set up which angle you want to see. Okay, still remember, before you render, you need to go perspective view. If you go the camera, or if you don't have camera, you only have perspective view, also can open show set frame. So double check which angle you want to render. Okay, see which one more better. Maybe this one. In this angle should be okay. So now open the render setup again. Okay, everything's the setting, no problem. So just click render. Okay, because I already have set, so confirm overwriting. Yes. Okay, just recover the file. Okay, this one, user desktop testing API. Just click. Then you can see. Okay, keep rendering, and then this one time remaining actually is how many minutes you still got, how many minutes like that. Okay, so let's speed up. Okay, done already. So okay, this one close. So should be okay. So the effect actually is something like that. So now let's start see the final result. Okay, you can go to the outside. Just now this one testing. Okay, you can like create. Okay, we can double check the effect. Okay, so this one is the final result. Okay, so these two objects moving and then changing the color and then the object size and then including the light also. Okay, change the light color and then change the light position. Okay, so thanks guys. So if you like my video tutorials, you can subscribe my channel, so in future you can see more coming video and update. Thanks.